This is Cathy Harris. My website is cathyharrisinternational.com. Our organic food movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Welcome to my backyard. Today we are going to be talking about homemade fungicide. Now, I had issues with a black mold that got in my garden. I spent 3 days. You see the black part of this plant right here? The black part. Yes. You see that? And look at my pepper plants. They are looking in bad shape because I had to spend about 3 days out here removing all the dark spots on my plants. Look at that pepper plant. It would probably recover, but I had a hard time. You see the little black specks on the end of this right here? That's what I was dealing with. It was a black fungus that got on all of my food in 2 of my gardens. Good thing it was only in 2 of the gardens. It wasn't in all the gardens. So I was out here for like 3 days pulling all the dark spots off so the food can grow back to be healthy. And it was a hard task, a very hard task. But I had to do it if I wanted to save my garden. So what I had to use to get rid of it was a homemade fungicide. I used hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and Ajax. See, like that? I had so many of my leaves covered in dark spots. But so far, it looks like my crop is recovering. So far, it looks pretty good. So it looked like what I did really worked. And I am so glad of that, because I really thought that I was going to lose my crop. My Swiss chard is growing back. I sprayed the fungicide for an entire week, for 7 days. I did lose 3 of my plants, my Swiss chard plants. See here, I lost the plant that's supposed to be there and 2 other plants that are supposed to be there. I lost them to this fungus that got into my garden.